Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nayak RC again. This video is going to be very special for all the viewers out there who are looking to learn flying of RC model aircraft. You know, many people nowadays they wanted to attend some workshop, learn a model, how to fabricate, how to design, and some people do it by themselves, some DIY kit in the house. There is another option, which is you can go into the market and you can purchase a RC model aircraft. This time this video is going to be all about a beginner model aircraft for a students or intermediate level or even old age. Any age group can fly this kind of aircraft. So let's see what is that one. You know what, Tupu is away from our channel since a long time. I wanted to gift him something, so I have gifted him a SkySurfer RC model aircraft. It's again manufactured by XUV. Tupu?
Yes, Mama, I'm so eager to open it. Let's. Oh, 1.4 meter wingspan. Okay. And it's just the kit.
Yes.
And it doesn't include any electronics. Hi guys, I'm back to this channel. Now you're gonna see more of me.
He is so much excited to open this kit. I don't know how it feels for him. Guys who are sitting out there who wanted to learn RC model flying by buying something like this kit from the market and assembling it. So I want this video to be so much elaborative and experimentative, so that I gave this as a gift to Chotu. He is going to make it on his own. I am just going to supervise him at the time of flying. So, Tupu, are you excited to assemble this one?
Yes, I'm so excited. And also here it's written that it's for 14 years old kids. So I'm even luckier now.
This is for you only.
Okay.
So you are going to assemble it totally and you are going to explain all our viewers how this is being assembled.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Chalo, let's.
XUV. Hey, do you remember what's XUV? It's the same company that made our Talon aircraft.
Yes, do you remember you only assembled it?
Yeah, if you didn't watch that video, click this link to watch that video. Guys, now let's unbox it. I'm so eager to unbox it right now. Okay. My mama might have already opened it because he likes all this aircrafts and all. Oh. Here are the wings. Here is the body. Here are some wooden pieces to go in the body. Here are some more pieces and stickers. The rudder, the elevator, and the cockpit with more parts.
Tupu, do you have all the components which needs to be assembled?
Here it shows that yeah, we have all the components.
Did they provided any kind of glue to assemble it?
No, they didn't provide any glue, so we are gonna use the same glue we used for our Talon aircraft.
Correct. So that glue is also available in the local market, so people can go and buy it.
Yeah, it's easily available.
Tupu, so I think let's see how does the part looks.
Yeah, let us see how the part looks now. Here is the cockpit.